Betco, the name to count on for better resources in chemicals, equipment, programs, process, and achieving continuously better results for over 50 years. Betco, creating better resources for facilities maintenance professionals. Betco Resources and Process Management Training Library, expanding competencies for cleaning professionals.
Carpeting that has not been properly cleaned and maintained can leave a terrible impression on a facility. Dirt buildup and stains look unpleasant and can carry harmful bacteria and foul odors, resulting in poor indoor air quality. You play an important role how the carpet in your building looks and lasts. By learning how to implement a good carpet care program, you'll enhance your facility's appearance, improve the cleanliness of the working environment, and be a valuable resource to your department. The life cycle of carpet care reflects the stages of maintenance processes that a typical carpeted surface undergoes throughout its life. There are 3 phases of carpet maintenance that work together to extend the life of carpeting: routine, interim, and restorative. Routine maintenance focuses on the quick removal of surface soils, spots, and stains. Interim maintenance focuses on removing soils before they become deeply embedded in the carpeting. Restorative maintenance focuses on removing dirt and soil that has penetrated all the way to carpet backing. Betco's FiberPro Carpet Care program has the right mix of chemicals, equipment, and processes for all 3 phases of professional carpet care maintenance. By using Betco FiberPro products, procedures, and training outlined in this module, you'll maximize the efforts of your staff while reducing the costs associated with maintaining your facility's carpeting. This training module, which is one of the Betco Resource and Process Management, or RPM, training library series, focuses on the 3 phases of maintenance of the life cycle of carpet care. This module will cover safety, preparation, routine maintenance, interim maintenance, restorative maintenance, cleanup, and carpet care tips. Betco's FiberPro program offers a wide variety of carpet cleaning products for both stain-resistant, 5th generation, and non-stain-resistant carpeting. Specific recommendations will be made throughout this video. Be sure to choose the proper product for your job. Refer to the product selection guide in your workbook. Always follow your manufacturer's recommendations for cleaning and maintaining your carpet. Before beginning with any cleaning task, be sure that you fully understand how to use the chemicals and equipment required for the job. It is mandated by OSHA that every employee has a right to know about the possible chemical hazards within their workplace. A material safety data sheet, commonly called an MSDS, will provide information regarding the chemicals within your building. Read and understand the MSDS, as well as the product label for every product that you use. Your supervisor will show you where to find your MSDS information and will also help you to read and understand each sheet. Be careful not to use cleaning chemicals on any surface for which they are not intended. Be especially cautious when using acid cleaners. Never mix chemicals. It could cause serious or even fatal injury. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, to protect yourself from exposure to cleaning chemicals. Gloves and a mask or goggles will prevent chemical splashes from coming into contact with your skin and eyes. Practice universal precautions when cleaning any blood or body fluid spills or soiled materials that could contain these or other potentially infectious substances. Refer to OSHA's bloodborne pathogen standards for more information. Betco provides a bloodborne pathogen training module within the RPM training library series. Accidents will be limited when the proper caution signs are posted prior to cleaning, such as wet floor signs. When preparing for carpet cleaning, first review the supply checklist. Gather the appropriate chemicals and proper cleaning equipment. A supply checklist can be found in your workbook that accompanies this training module. Gather the properly labeled cleaners that will be needed. Be sure that the correct dilution rates are used according to manufacturer's recommendations. A Betco chemical management system ensures that dilution rates are correct and makes your job faster and easier. Routine maintenance procedures. The following Betco chemicals and equipment are recommended but not limited to the following: Fiber Pro Professional Spot and Stain Removal Kit, Gold 18-inch Vacuum or BPS 28 battery-powered sweeper, EX3S Carpet Spotter Machine. Routine maintenance consists of vacuuming and spot removal. When these procedures fail to provide the appearance you desire, then interim cleaning is required. Carpet hides dirt very well, and it's important to remove surface dirt quickly and routinely so it doesn't become embedded in the fiber. Keeping a carpet clean will increase the life of the carpet. To begin vacuuming, first select the appropriate vacuum for the job. Upright vacuums are good for enclosed rooms or smaller areas. A walk-behind battery-powered sweeper, such as the BPS 28, is excellent for large carpeted rooms or hallways. Choosing the right equipment can make a big difference in the time and effort put into the job. Remove any obstacles or furniture if needed. Move furniture and equipment as little as possible when spot vacuuming. Spot vacuum high traffic areas daily and do the entire carpeted surface weekly. Plug the machine into the proper outlet located in a central location. Overlap strokes slightly until the area is covered. Do not overclean. Usually 2 strokes per pass are sufficient. Be careful not to bump furniture or walls. Watch the cord as it can present a safety hazard. Use accessory tools for hard-to-reach areas. As you're vacuuming, pay attention to any stains or spots that will need attention. Revisit the area to address spot or stain removal needs. Betco's Spot and Stain Removal Kit is recommended to simplify spot and stain removal at your facility. This kit contains a handy spot guide, accessories, and 6 spot-removing products that are effective in removing virtually any stain. Refer to the Professional Spot and Stain Guide for step-by-step instructions to remove a wide variety of spots and stains. Be careful to test products in an inconspicuous area before applying any cleaning chemical to carpet. If you're cleaning a wet stain, immediately blot to remove excess liquid using a white absorbent towel. This will prevent the accidental transfer of dyes into the carpet. It's important to blot and not rub the stain to avoid further penetration of the carpet fiber. Apply the appropriate product directly to the spot following specific instructions on the label. Using a circular motion, squirt the solution just outside the perimeter of the stain, working toward the center. Allow the appropriate dwell time. Then use a tapping brush and clean white towel to absorb the stain. Rinse the area thoroughly with clean water. The Betco EX3S 3-gallon spotter extractor is an easy and effective method for rinsing and extracting stains in all types of carpeting. If a spotting machine is unavailable, use a vacuum to remove any residues once the carpet has dried. For dry soils and chewing gum, scrape any excess soil with a bone scraper. Use an aerosol chewing gum remover such as Betco's GG009 for gum removal. This will freeze the gum, making removal quick and easy. Interim maintenance procedures. The following Betco chemicals and equipment is recommended but not limited to the following: Bonnet Bonnet Shampoo, Dry Foam Carpet and Upholstery Shampoo, TLC Traffic Lane Cleaner or Step 1 for residential 5th generation carpets, and FL 20-inch DS floor machine. You'll also need carpet bonnet pad, pump-up sprayer, and 2 mop buckets and wringers. Interim maintenance removes soils before they become deeply embedded in the carpet, helping to maintain a beautiful appearance between scheduled restorative cleanings. Regularly scheduled vacuuming is the first step in removing as much of the loose surface soil as possible. Bonnet cleaning or dry foam cleaning typically is performed once a month, depending on carpet traffic. Bonnet cleaning is a quick, easy method for surface cleaning carpets. It cleans more deeply than vacuuming alone to remove many common stains, leaving carpets bright and looking like new. Bonnet cleaning uses very little moisture, so carpets dry faster and can be quickly returned to service. Start by gathering your equipment and supplies. Remove all obstructions from the area being cleaned. Vacuum and perform routine spot and stain maintenance prior to the bonnet cleaning procedure. First, pre-spray heavily soiled areas and traffic lanes with a Betco traffic lane cleaner. Using a pre-spray can make cleaning easier, more efficient, and creates a uniform appearance in traffic lanes. Be sure to generously apply the pre-spray and to allow the appropriate dwell time prior to cleaning. For light cleaning, you'll only need 1 bucket of clean water for rinsing. Fill the pump-up sprayer with bonnet bonnet cleaner per label directions. Attach the bonnet pad to the pad driver of a low-speed rotary floor machine, such as an FL20DS from Betco's equipment line. Be sure the pad is centered. Spray the carpet bonnet pad with the bonnet solution. Starting at the furthest corner, spray a 4-foot by 8-foot area to be cleaned with bonnet solution. Bonnet buff the area that has been sprayed. Move the machine at a gradual, steady pace and with overlapping passes. Take care not to bump walls or furniture. Spray the next section and continue cleaning, working toward the exit. When the bonnet pad becomes visibly soiled, remove it, rinse, and wring it out in the bucket full of clean, warm water. Turn the carpet bonnet pad over or change as necessary. Be sure to change the water in the rinse bucket when it becomes visibly soiled. For heavy cleaning, fill 1 mop bucket with clean, warm water and the other with bonnet cleaner per label directions. Submerge the carpet bonnet pad in the bucket with cleaning solution, wringing out the excess solution. Place the carpet bonnet under the pad holder on the floor machine. Follow the same machine operation procedures outlined in the light cleaning procedure. Rinse and wring out the carpet bonnet pad in the cleaning solution bucket as necessary. Replace the cleaning solution when it becomes visibly soiled. Allow the carpet to dry thoroughly before replacing furniture. Carpet dryers can be used to accelerate dry times. Remember, when heavy cleaning, you'll have a longer dry time. Dry foam shampooing cleans deep into the pile of the carpeting and is an excellent method of interim maintenance. A rotary brush and FiberPro dry foam shampoo work together to deep clean with a very low percentage of water. Carpeting dries quickly, reducing out-of-service time. Restorative maintenance procedures. The following Betco chemicals and equipment are recommended but not limited to the following: Steam or FiberPro extraction cleaner for 5th generation carpeting, extraction cleaner. FiberPro TLC or FiberPro one-step for 5th generation carpeting, traffic lane cleaner. FP8 self-contained carpet extractor or FP20 walk-behind carpet extractor. You will also need a pump-up sprayer. Restorative maintenance involves products and procedures that clean deep down into the carpet to remove dirt and soil that has made its way to the carpet backing. Betco's resource and process management can help maintenance managers determine when and how often to perform restorative maintenance procedures. Extraction gives the cleaning performance necessary to restore a carpet's appearance. Extraction cleaning provides the deepest level of cleaning for carpeting. Betco's FiberPro line of equipment and chemicals offer many options to help with deep cleaning carpets. Begin by removing all obstructions from the area. Be sure to vacuum and spot clean prior to cleaning. Generously pre-spray heavily soiled areas and traffic lanes with a Betco pre-spray. Fill the extraction machine solution tank with extraction cleaner, properly diluted per label directions. For best cleaning results, use hot water. Move the machine at a gradual, steady pace over the area. Dispense the cleaning solution moderately, being careful to not over-wet the carpet. Repeat this procedure on the next section of carpet. Overlap slightly on each pass 2 inches to 3 inches with the extractor to ensure all areas of the carpet are cleaned. Note that wet carpet can cause rust and indentations from furniture. Foil or cardboard squares may be used under the legs of furniture to help prevent this. If necessary, a defoamer, such as Betco's FiberPro Foam Control, can be used in the recovery tank of the machine to control excess foaming. Allow the carpet to dry thoroughly before replacing furniture. Carpet dryers can be used to accelerate dry times. Special maintenance products, including deodorizers, fabric protectors, and static control treatments, can be used when necessary to help make all phases of carpet maintenance easier and more effective. Consult your Betco representative for more product suggestions or recommendations. When finished with your tasks, be sure to properly clean all equipment and supplies. Thoroughly rinse solution and recovery tanks until there is no soil residue remaining inside. Thoroughly wash and wipe all domes and lids of machines. Leave the domes and lids off of the machine while in storage. This will allow the unit to dry thoroughly. Store equipment in a clean, dry place. Be sure to practice good safety precautions, such as understand product labels and MSD sheets. Wear the proper personal protection equipment. Follow OSHA's bloodborne pathogen standard with regard to blood and body fluid cleanup. And post caution signs before cleaning. Review your supply checklist and stock your cart. Know your daily procedures and the routine in which to perform them. Routine maintenance focuses on quick removal of surface soils, spots, and stains, and should be done daily or weekly. Interim maintenance consists of bonnet cleaning or dry foam shampooing and should be performed periodically. Restorative maintenance penetrates all the way to the carpet backing through extraction cleaning. Be sure to always clean up and wash your equipment at the end of your shift or at the end of a workday. The job that you do is very important to the image of your facility and to the well-being of the people who come through the doors every day. Be proud of the skills you're developing and know that you truly make a difference in creating a safe, clean, and healthy environment.